Welcome, Warriors. It is Tuesday, September 1st, and we are beginning a new month in math. I'm here with Miss Bridwell, and we actually have a pretty easy day in math today. We're going to be converting mixed numbers into improper fractions, and Miss Bridwell and I are going to do this instructional video with you. Miss Bridwell, this is on the 25th page in their folder.
I think it's 26th.
Okay, this is on the 26th page of your folder. At the top, it says improper and mixed fractions. This should be very easy if you pay attention, but we wanted to provide you something that you could look back if you needed it, okay? So I'm going to turn it over to Miss Bridwell, and please follow along with us in your folder.
Okay, guys, so again, we're on that 26th page. If you look at the 26th page, it's divided into 4 sections. You've got question 1, and then a bunch of parts on it, question 2, a bunch of parts, then 3 and 4, and so on. We are only looking at section 2, okay? So we are on section 2. That's all we're doing today. All right. Yesterday, you all did the harder part of this. Yesterday, you all went from improper, okay, improper fractions. You all converted improper to mixed numbers. So you told us there was 6 go into 10 one time without going over, and you told us there's 4 left over, and we talked about how we reduced those fractions and that all those were equivalent, okay? So today is actually easier than yesterday. Yesterday, you had to do a little bit more thought process. Today is really simple, okay? So we're on section 2, and I'm on question A, and this time they give it to us as mixed numbers, okay? We're turning it to improper, which is so much easier. So what we do here, we tell kids you can write this in if you want to on your problem. We're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number, okay? And then we're going to add that top number, or the numerator, okay? So 7 times 4 we know is 28, and then we add 3 to that. So 28 plus 3 we should know gives us 31. And then we place that over, just like yesterday, you always kept that denominator, you go keep it the same thing. So it was a 4 to begin with, it's a 4 now. Okay, so you have converted a mixed number to improper. Okay, so that's a whole lot easier if you remember to put in your multiplication and your addition. All right, so we're going to do one more of these with you. B is 5.5. So again, the way to convert this mixed number to improper, and this is going to be useful when we start dividing fractions, okay? So you've got to know how to do this. You've got to be able to convert from mixed numbers to improper, and then improper back to mixed numbers. So if I'm going to multiply the denominator and the whole number, and then I'm adding that whatever numerator is. So 5 times 2 we know is 10, and 10 plus 1 we should know is 11, and we keep that denominator of 2. Mr. Potts, you see something that we missed?
No, I think that's perfect. It's so easy, guys, because this number, this denominator, is always going to stay the same, okay? And I love seeing students work when you actually have a multiplication symbol and an addition symbol, because we're able to see kind of what you're thinking. But I think this is one of the easiest steps that easiest concepts we've done in a while.
One other thing we want to point out before we let you work is a lot of times kids will put these symbols in there and they know they're supposed to multiply and they know they're supposed to add, but they don't remember which one they're supposed to do first. Okay, you always, if you think of order of operations, which you all should have had, some people called this PEMDAS, other people have called it GEMDAS, and we've heard a lot of different things. But either way, you should realize that you're supposed to multiply and divide before we add and subtract, okay? So you're always going to multiply before you do the addition. All right. Anything else, Mr. Winstead, you think we forgot?
No, I think you all did a fantastic job.
Thank you,
Great.
Mr. Winstead.
Thank you.
No mistakes. Awesome.
We don't make mistakes, do we?
We don't
Mr.
make
Potts?
mistakes, though.
He's great.
All right. You all have a good day. Go ahead and you're going to finish the rest of section 2 for your assignment. And as always, put those answers in the Google form and it'll check your work for you. If you have any questions, let us know.
We'll see you Wednesday.
Have a good day.